In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart object mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're new to Photoshop or looking to streamline your mockup process, this guide will provide clear, step-by-step instructions to help you achieve professional results. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your device. If you're unfamiliar with Photoshop, it's a versatile graphic design software that enables you to edit, enhance, and manipulate photos and images. Once you have the software up and running, we're ready to begin. The first step is to add your image into Photoshop. You can do this by navigating to the File menu located in the top left corner of the interface and then selecting Open. Locate the image you'd like to use for your mockup on your computer. Photoshop supports a variety of image formats, so you should have no trouble loading your file. Drag the image into your workspace and position it as desired. Now that your image is ready, the next step is to make a selection. This step is crucial as it defines the specific area of your image that you want to utilize for your mockup. To create the selection, choose a selection tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. Popular choices include the magic wand or the lasso tool, depending on the complexity and edges of your desired selection area. Carefully outline or click the area and see the marching ants indicating the selected section of your image. Having made your selection, it's time to duplicate it. This might sound technical, but it's simpler than it seems. With your current selection active, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command and J if you're using a Mac. This will create a new layer in your Layers panel containing just the selected area. You might notice a small thumbnail appearing in the Layers panel showcasing the area you've just duplicated. Finally, let's convert the duplicated selection to a smart object. Smart objects in Photoshop are tremendously useful as they allow you to make comprehensive changes and adjustments without permanently altering the original data. To do this, right-click on the newly created layer in the Layers panel. A menu will pop up, find the option labeled Convert to Smart Object, and select it. This process is integral to creating mockups because it preserves quality and allows for easy-to-edit attributes and scalable designs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a smart object mockup in Adobe Photoshop. This foundational skill is valuable not only for designers but also for anyone looking to master the basics of Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore the various tools available within the software. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and make sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to advance your digital design skills.